Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new vlog. So I'm here at the Barbecue Nation Indiranagar, and I've been coming to this restaurant a couple of times, but I've never reviewed about it. So I wanted to review it for you guys. So this is the branch at Indiranagar. They have a lot of branches in Bangalore. I love the Indiranagar branch because it is really spacious and it has two stories. I started my dinner with the live counter, pani puri, and their famous crispy corn and kaju potato. And here the starters start. They have a wide variety of prawns, chicken, and fish. They give you a taste of paneer, mushroom, and pineapple as well. So, and then you have a choice of ordering your drink from here, which will be an extra charge that will not be included in the buffet. I love their tandoori prawns, which is my favorite. I love seafood especially, so I just love that. We had a keema pav this time, a keema on a toast, which was really yummy. This was a new addition for me. I had never tasted it before here, so it was really very tasty. And this is how our starters are being cooked in the kitchen, and they have a wide range of main course from veg to non-veg. I love to taste both of them. They have soups, they have a lot of variety of dry sabzi and curries, and I just love their spread of salad, which is filling as well. I love their curd rice and biryani, and the favorite of mine in non-veg was the egg curry for sure, and the biryani was really yum. They have a wide spread of desserts as well. As it was a mango season, they had an addition of mango desserts as well. There was moong dal halwa, jamun, and ice cream. This is my plate of happiness. I love coming to Barbecue Nation. You must visit this place at least once when you're in Bangalore. I will give you the details of the price in the description box. Do check it out. I will be back with a new vlog again. So I'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, bye.